Good morning. You are most welcome in Dr. Saurabh sir classes. In this video series, we are going to discuss solution of the CSIR UGC NET December 2025 Chemical Science question paper. We will solve the questions of the section B on the basis of the concept and short tricks. In the previous video, we have already solved a lot of questions of this paper, and you can join the video series for a proper solution and preparation of the net examination. Okay, now in this question there are the point group identification. In this question, C3 to I is equivalent to, they are asking about the equivalent to S6, S65, C65 and C6. So how to identify the equivalence value? Okay. So now on the basis of the concept of the point group. Okay. So try to understand first concept and to understand why C23, okay, C23I is equivalent to S65. Okay, S65. We need look to here. We need look to at how this symmetry, or we can say the operations behave as a point. Behave as a point group. Okay, so in this question, first we will try to understand the what is the meaning of the CI and S. Okay, so CN is the proper rotation. CN is a proper rotation is going on, and rotation about the 360 degree by N. Okay, second is the I. What is the meaning of I? I means inversion. I means inversion. Inversion through the center of molecule. Inversion through the center of molecule. And next one is the SN. What is the meaning of SN? Improper rotation. Improper rotation represented by the SN. Okay, improper rotation. A composite operation consisting of a rotation by 360 degree by N. Okay, that is the Cn, and followed by a reflection through a plane perpendicular to the rotation axis. What is the rotation axis? Rotation axis is the sigma h, the horizontal. Okay, and now we can express mathematically. The mathematically expression like that, Sn is equal to Cn into sigma h. Okay, it is a mathematically expression of this concept. To now start the step by step identification. In our question, match the C3 to symmetry. First we will write the S6 for the S6, C6 into sigma h. Okay, and according to our definition, C6 S5 means performing the S6 operation 5 times. S6 operation is performing 5 times. Okay, what is the meaning of the S6 5? Right? And the rotation and reflection. In this process, rotation is also going on and reflection is also going on because of the plane of symmetry, and the rotation and reflection both are equivalent to the 300 degree. Okay, and 5 reflection across the horizontal plane, and 5 reflection because of the S6 value is the 5 times, that is the 5 reflections 5 reflections going on horizontal plane, on the horizontal plane. Okay, so that is the, and the property of the sigma h. What is the property of the sigma h? Sigma h is the rotation according to the horizontal axis, and we can say the reflecting twice across the same plane, return to the object in its original position. Okay, and 5 reflections is the same as 1 reflection. 5 reflection is the same as a 1 reflection, so that is the sigma h5 is equal to sigma h. That is the concept. Now we can calculate the value for the equivalent to that. So like that, the symmetry rotation is going on, and given value is a 332 into multiply by I, then you will get the 5 6. Okay, it is equal because of the above concept, and the proper rotation is going on. Rotation component at the 300 degree, that is equivalent to the C32. Okay, and rotation, because the 300 degree is 2 into 120, where the 120 is the C3 rotation. 120 is the C3 rotation. So we can conclude that this concept. Okay. So now 300 degree rotation means, 300 degree rotation means C65 is equivalent to a C32. Okay, C32 rotation. Why? What is the reason? So because 300 degree is 2 into 120 degree rotation, and where the 120 degree rotation is a C3 rotation. 120 degree rotation is a C3 rotation. On the basis of this, we can conclude this. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of this C32? Means rotation by 240 degree about the principal axis. I means, what is the meaning of the I? Inversion through the center. It is the inversion through the center. And what is the meaning of this? Rotation by 300 degree followed by the horizontal reflection. Followed by the horizontal reflection. On the basis of this concept, the equivalence C32, on the basis of this concept, the C32I is equal to S65. Okay, is a standard identity. Is a standard identity used in the character table and point groups analysis to simplify operation in symmetry with high symmetry. Okay, it is the octahedral complexes, like octahedral complexes, because of the here the given option is the octahedral complexes, and the right option is the it is a meshed, completely meshed according to our concept and our solution. The right option is the SF65. S65. The second option is the correct option. Okay, that is the option number 2 is the right answer. Okay, we can calculate the point group analysis on the basis of the some concept. Thank you.